Today is May 14th. There is a new Sonos app. Do I dare to update? Let's gamble. So to update, you gotta go to the App Store, go to Sonos and click Update. And about a few minutes later, it's updated. Yay! When done, open the Sonos app. At least now the cover arts are showing again. Let's go to Apple Music. I couldn't access my Apple Music before. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Right? Apple Music. Yes, it's there. And let's play something because you couldn't do that before. Yep. Yes, it's actually playing. It is still very sluggish though. Now let's go to the system settings. Click Manage. My alarm is no longer there. Let's see whether there's any system update. Click there and click Check for updates. There you go, there's an actual update. Let's update it. And a few minutes later, it's done. So, what do I think about the new Sonos update on May 14th, 2024? Well, if you downloaded the latest version of Sonos app last week and nothing works, update to this one. At least some features are now working. If you're currently still using the S2, then don't update it just yet. All right, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.